In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy and paste from an Excel column into Monday.com quickly and without messing up your formatting. If you work with spreadsheets and project management tools, this simple trick can save you a ton of time when moving task lists, numbers, or dates into your boards. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along, whether you're using Excel or Google Sheets. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's jump right in. Step 1 is preparing your Excel column. Start by opening Excel or Google Sheets, depending on which tool you're using. Locate the column that contains the data you want to move over to Monday.com. This could be a list of task names, deadlines, budgets, client names, or any structured data. Make sure your column is clean before copying. That means removing any unnecessary blank rows, double-checking for formatting issues, and confirming that the data is organized exactly how you want it to appear. Once everything looks good, click on the letter at the top of the column to highlight the entire column, or manually select just the cells you need. Then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy the selected data. Next, open your Monday.com board. Head over to Monday.com and log into your workspace. Navigate to the specific board where you want this Excel data to go. This is important because the paste behavior depends on where you click inside the board. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct group and section before pasting anything. That way you avoid placing data in the wrong project or workflow. Now you need to choose exactly where you want the data to go. There are two common scenarios here. The first option is pasting as new items. If your Excel column contains multiple rows, like task names, and you want each row to become a new item in Monday.com, click on the first empty item row under the leftmost column. This first column is typically the item name column. Make sure your cursor is active in that first empty cell. Monday.com will automatically create new rows for each line you copied when you paste. The second option is pasting into a specific column. For example, maybe you already have item names created and you just want to paste numbers, dates, or status-related information into a particular column. In that case, scroll to the correct column, such as a numbers column or date column, and click the first empty cell where you want the pasted data to begin. Always start at the topmost cell where you want the data inserted so everything aligns correctly down the column. Once you've selected the correct target cell, it's time to paste the Excel data. Simply press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Monday.com will automatically distribute the copied rows into consecutive cells. If you copied multiple rows from Excel, each row will fill the cells downward in the board. Take a moment to review the pasted content and confirm that everything aligned properly. If something looks off, you can immediately press undo and try again, making sure you selected the correct starting cell. And that's it. That's how you copy and paste from an Excel column directly into Monday.com in just a few clicks. It's a simple workflow, but it can dramatically speed up your data transfer between spreadsheets and project boards. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.